Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have an exciting unboxing haul to share with you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I did a bit of shopping while we were on vacation this week. We just got home from Disney World in Florida. Literally just got home. I still have my magic band on. I'm really tired from traveling today, but I really wanted to make this kind of a true unboxing. So I'm gonna make it quick just to share with you the items that I picked up. I'm gonna do one item separately in a different video just because it's my first Hermes bag and I don't know, I just felt like that deserved its own video. So the rest of the items I'm gonna share are Chanel and one Coach item, as you can see. So we went to the mall at Millennia in Orlando, took a little break from all of our Disney stuff to do some shopping, and that mall was really nice. I'd been there before, and yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and just get right into it. This one actually did not come from Mall at Millennia. This is from the Coach at Disney Springs. The Coach at Disney Springs has some exclusive Disney items that you can't get at any other Coach anywhere else in the world, and they aren't sold online either. There are some Disney things sold online, but there are some items that are just exclusive to that store. So I picked up one of those items just because I thought it would be a cute souvenir. So it came in this box, and I slid it out of the tissue and couldn't get it back in, so that is why it's kind of half out of the tissue. But anyway, it goes this way to reveal. It's just a cute little flat card holder with Minnie Mouse on it, and I don't know if you can see, her shoes are glittery, and the polka dots on her dress also are glittery. I just thought that was really cute. And then it's just the classic Coach monogram, and it's got 1, 2, 3 card slots on the front, 1, 2, 3 card slots or on the back and on the front, and then another slip compartment here, and it's really soft and malleable. And yeah, I just thought that would be a really cute souvenir since it is not sold anywhere but the Coach at Disney Springs. So that is my first item, and that I will share prices. That one, let me just double check, but I believe it was $65 US. So pretty reasonable. Okay, I'll start with the smallest item, I guess. So this, as you can probably tell, is a pair of sunglasses, and this is a new style that was just released, and I used them after I bought them, so they're probably not going to be very clean, but they were a different shape than I normally go for, than a totally different shape than all of my other ones. And then they've got this clear kind of cutout section here with the CCs, which I thought was really cute. And yeah, they're just kind of a different shape than my typical sunglasses, so I really liked them. And they had a few different shapes with this kind of side, and I went with these ones just because they were the ones that were kind of more different than the other sunglasses I already have. The others were kind of a similar shape to the ones I already have. And the price of these was $4.35 US. Okay, so next one. This one is a true unboxing. I have not opened it since I bought it on, I guess it was Wednesday. And just get that off. So there's the care booklet and the dust bag. To reveal, here is the zippy coin purse, and it is in this iridescent blue color, which I had been searching for here and they didn't get it in Canada. So I actually went in to this Chanel kind of on a mission to try to find something in this color, and luckily they had one of these left, which I was really surprised about actually. So that is the inside, made in Spain, and it is a 29 series, and the price of this I remember was $6.50 US. So I was really happy to find that, since that was what I went in for specifically. There was nothing from, this is from 20P, the 20S collection that just came out. There was nothing that really caught my eye, so I really just went in to look for things that from other seasons that I wasn't able to get here in Toronto. So the next item is another item like that that is from a previous season that I wasn't able to get here. And again, it's a true unboxing. Okay, there's the care booklet and the tag. I'll show you after. So, to reveal, oh, it's all wrapped up. So this is the small wallet, and this is in that really pretty kind of green blue color. What did they call it from last year? They call it green. Okay. And it is from 19S. So I was shocked that they still had this. It was, again, another collection that I wasn't able to get here. I missed out, or they didn't get it. I can't really remember. Anyway, it's the small wallet. I'm not going to go into details about it in this video. I want to keep it short. But they had a brand new one. I was shocked when I asked about it. I did not expect them to have one. So I was so happy. And yeah, I'll show you the tag information. So it was $900 US, small wallet, green, from 19S. And yeah, it's just so pretty. It's beautiful matte caviar, and I just love this color. Yeah, it was brand new, all packaged up from the back, so I was really, really happy to find that. Okay, and the last Chanel item was again an item that I was looking for. That is just the cleaning cloth that she didn't put in the box. And this one was wrapped with ribbon, but I took the ribbon off because I actually used this on Thursday, I guess it was. I couldn't wait. And if you follow me on Instagram, I did ask for opinions on getting this or another Louis Vuitton bag. As you can see, I went with this, but I'll explain in a second. Anyway, so you'll probably know what this is if you follow me there. Here's the dust bag. And I got the matching to the card holder I just showed you. It's the wallet on chain in the Mademoiselle style in this iridescent blue. I used to own this exact wallet on chain in like a purplish color, and the color just didn't really work in my wardrobe. This color, if you know me at all, is right up my alley. It's just such a gorgeous, pretty shade of like turquoisey blue, and it's iridescent. It's just everything I love. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. And they had one left, which I was shocked. Again, it's from 20P. So, I mean, not that long ago, but still, I specifically went in looking for anything in this color, and they had these two items, so I was thrilled. And I decided to go with this one because this would be my last chance to get this in this color, and I mean, there was no way I was getting it. They didn't have it here. It's from a previous collection. So I still might get that Louis Vuitton Neo Noe BB bag that I posted. It is available here. It'll be a lot easier to get here back at home. I can easily get it, whereas this I couldn't. This is something I couldn't get here. So I didn't want to buy the Louis Vuitton bag there just because it's more expensive with the exchange rate. So I may as well just get that here. So I probably will eventually get that one. So thank you to everyone who gave your opinions. I'm probably going to end up with both. But anyway, that is my little haul from my trip, minus the Hermes item. I am going to film a separate video right now sharing that purchase. So please stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.